Hey guys, just reporting Iceland blizzard to bring 49-mile winds up to 10 foot of mountain snow. It says that 20,000 people are without electricity and power, and temperatures drop into the low 20s. And it says that Iceland is digging out the following potential blizzard that brought forth winds topping up to 100 miles an hour, yards of snow. And you can see the pictures of people just digging out of the snow. It's pretty.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.